hello, and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums, and all my subscribers. A happy December to you. Wishing all of you a lovely 2020 last month. It's the last month and the last month of a lot of things that we can achieve. This month we have to just be very thankful that we survived it and we thrived and we grew in whatever way we could. And as a human race, I hopefully hope that all of us have become more united instead of divided. And I pray that this vaccine is coming the first few months of 2021. We'll have vaccine and we can again travel the world. That is something I'm most waiting for, is to plan every year to travel the world and see how the sun feels in different parts of the world. And to start with, it will be UK, it would be Canada, it would be Hong Kong, it would be Singapore, it would be the Disneyland. It would be before that, the first country that I would be traveling to would be India. That would be to meet my family back home. That would be the first country, and then the rest of the world, most definitely. So on that thought, and on thought that we will have our vaccination coming by January, we have said it in the universe, January the world will receive the vaccination, a successful vaccination. Let's begin this haul. This is my Pumpkin Paper Co haul. This is a lovely shop in Etsy called Pumpkin Paper Co, and she has these characters she calls Terra, and I had ordered during, she had a 15-20% off sale, and I had ordered during that time, and it came very fast. I'm just amazed. It's a very big stack because it's so difficult to decide. Her stickers are so adorable and cute that I had to pick up a stack when it's a huge stack. So stick till the end to really enjoy this, and I'll show you where I'm going to store these as well at the end. So I got this beautiful this is, I think, Ursula the Little Mermaid and Winnie the Pooh, and I do not know this one. So this is a sticker that she gave, and it comes with this card. Thank you for choosing the shop with Pumpkin Paper Co. We hope that you will enjoy your stickers. And you know, I'm obsessed with character stickers, but I love my munchkins and emojis from Once More with Love and from Coffee Monster Co. But I wanted some with the faces, and I got Stick with the Plan and this Pumpkin Paper Co. I found those two very adorable stickers. And this, I think this is just a card, and this is the journaling card that she gave. Yeah. And this is a beautiful Terra again. This was during autumn time, I think October. So that's how this looks like. And let's begin. This is the size of our stickers. If you want to compare it, because many of us are not aware of the sizes of the sticker books, right? So these are the size of the sticker books. Yeah, and I plan to store them in my Simply Gilded. This is where I'm going to store them till I find a smaller one. I think even my Planner Perfect will fit these beautifully. Let's see what I'm going to do, but for the moment this is where my Terras will go. So the first one that I picked up, it's a big stack, so let's go fast. I don't want it to be a 20 minutes video. Yeah, but this is a beautiful planning desk. This is my desk with the planner and everything ready, and with the pen. So this is good to mark down the planning time. Yeah, the quality of the sticker is good, how it looks. This is FaceTime, when I am FaceTiming my parents and my in-laws back home to mark those days. This is a sampler. This is one of the samplers. It's called P001. You can see this is good for a birthday, New Year, payday, munching something, some saloon time. Aren't these the cutest? Look at this, cleaning time, some Starbucks. I love my Frappuccino with the caramel. And shopping, pay bills. I love these stickers. The next is the weight one. Like, you know, look at her, she just had pizza, so she's thinking of weighing down. This is losing some weight. Again, some weighing scales. I think I'll just put it here. These are some swimwear ones for swimming, the different costumes, so cute. I mostly have one piece. Next summer when I'll start swimming, I can definitely use this to mark those. This is again for cooking, I think baking and cooking both. So these are good to mark those, cooking or meal planning for the week. Weight loss, again, fit in my skinny pants. Yeah. This is again the washi one. These are all the washi tape ones. This is again the sampler for cleaning with these are huge stickers. These are really huge stickers. So if you have a monthly tracker, you can use this for that. Again, I got 2 of those. These are the big ones. The others are the mini. This is for laundry, again the big ones. And this is another. I'm getting a vertical, the soft bound from Erin Condren. I'm going to use that for my my social media planning, because the content planner I cancelled because it's going to take some more time. This is the self-care one, again with the towel ready to go to the spa. Many of these stickers I'd be hoarding. This is like either sick or very sleepy day, you can put that. Again, this is a sleepy tired mom. I really don't sleep a lot. I just sleep 6 hours a day, 6 to 7, and that's how because I can work when my baby sleeps, and when I work till later at night also to plan my videos, write down script. But next year I'm going to start having only one video, so it will be, I might get more rest. This is my Netflix, some TV time. I do my journaling and watch some TV as well. And these are again some samplers, face mask. This is again one of this I don't know, one of the characters. I don't know where I'm going to use it. This is the witch from the Hocus Pocus. Something during I can use swimming. Again a sampler of work desk. So these are again headache Tara. And then this is always good to get these stickers when she has these 15-20% discount. This is the running or walking one that I can use. This is her sticky legs, but now I like the new ones that she has. These are again some washi. These are the colorful ones. This is I am beautiful, my body is my favorite. This is I think self-love. What I see is beauty, strength, perfectly me. Even my bad day, I am still a babe. Working it all day, every day. I'm beautiful. My body is my favorite. I'm beautiful. Working it all. What I see is beauty, strength. This is my favorite Gilmore Girls. Both Lorelei's are here. This is maybe I'll be hoarding, and maybe when I watch with my daughter, when she grows up, I might use it then. Or if I have a Lorelei's Luke or Gossip Girl, I'm saying Gilmore Girls spread, then I can use, or a Mother's Day, mother-daughter. This is having some tea. Mostly I'm a coffee girl, but once in a while I like some tea, and that is only bubble tea or sometime green tea. This is again yoga exercise. Again a summer time. I love these for marking the days I go swimming. It's more of tanning than swimming, but can use for that. Here goes the swimming ones as well. This is me, sleepy girl. I can use for that. I think body needs not more than 6 to 8 hours to sleep. 8 hours at least. So next from December, my mission is to sleep 8 hours. This is sleepy. And this is P448. This is planting, for just when I water my plants, home plants. So to just track that. Next year I'll have a balcony, so definitely I'll have plants outside. So this is good for marking those. Again the dishes, I think I should have picked up 2 or 3. 2 I picked up, doing the dishes. This is perfectly me when I'm doing the dishes. I hate doing dishes, but nothing what to do. And then this is again some exercise on the exercise ball, and so this is again a mix, a sampler of all other stickers. Yeah, see, date night, hug from the back. And then this is waiting for the post, my body is my favorite. This is maybe a favorite sheet, making some smoothie. I love collecting samplers, so at least I have a different choices. Again, this is the plan, shooting maybe plan with me for that. Next year I might do that. These are these succulents babies that I have for them, for watering them or writing down. I could not find any much shops have these succulents. Plan with me and Stick with the Plan Co had, and this one had. This is the face mask one. Again, I love the different hair. You can choose the color with the spread. I think you can choose the hair color. Mostly I chose the black color because my hair is black. You can change the color of the skin as well, and I'm fair, so I left it that way. Again, a swimming one, a yoga one, or treadmill. Start 1 2 3 and falling off the treadmill. These are my princess. The first one, it has all Bella, Jasmine, Aurora, Mermaid, Little Mermaid, Ariel, no, and Snow White, Cinderella, and this is Pocahontas. And then you have two of these, couple of them. So these are the Disney princess, and then these are another Disney princess, another set with Mulan and Elsa and Elma from the Frozen. I don't know their names. This is the frog one, this is the brave one, this is Moana, and this is Rapunzel. Again, this is the second princess, and this is the Luke's diner, and all of the, maybe I might do a Gilmore Girls spread, can use that during that time. Some coffee time. When I got the tea, I had to pick up these coffee. Then again, some headache. Whenever I have headaches or cramps, I can use that. Munching on pizza, tracking when I have pizza or when I have like seafood or something. Seafood, I'm saying fast food or something. Then no soda. Look at these ladies. This is perfect to mark like if in a week or in a month how many times I've had soda. For soda, I have only like Diet Coke. That's my go-to play. This is again for planning. This is, I think, Villa Beautiful pens. Planning time. Super mom. Yeah, this is me at the moment. Baby is sleeping, so I'm making another. Again, these are her samplers. Therapy. Planning is my therapy for me. This is some teacup. The kissing one. Again, some washi addict, and so on. These are again little bigger ones. These are decors, beautiful decors with the planners and everything. Yeah. And this is again with her table. Now I think I'll be buying next year again from her during the same Christmas time. So Christmas time, I'm saying during the Halloween or during the Black Friday time. So till then I have to work on these stickers, because then I can stack up. I think only end of the year when these sales are there, I can hoard on the stickers. And I think Coffee Monster Co has in August, and I think Once More with Love, I win a lot. Many times I win $15 Canadian dollar vouchers from her from the Facebook active, since I'm active in Facebook. So I buy 1 or 2 or 3 stickers added on from that. I'll continue whenever I win. So this is again makeup time, dress up, some teacups. Yeah, you're sleeping on the teacup. And some Starbucks again. You know, I love coffee more than tea also. These are some beautiful girls with the different clothes. Look how detailed it is. I love these legs more for the Terras, and they can be used for so many things, for your different spreads. You know, look how pretty they are. Office, and how with the pajamas. Again, some makeup. Here it is. And this is this was, I think, winter or autumn again. Here, see how pretty they are. Lying down, just relaxing. And this is looking outside. It's snowing. It's a cloudy day. It's sunny day. It's beautiful just looking out the window. And that's, now I'm in front of a window. So that's how it doesn't look outside as snowing because it's in Qatar. But it's still beautiful. So this was my haul from Paper Pumpkin Co. So it's nice, cute character stickers. I have a lot now to last me a year, and then next Christmas I might buy from them again. And thank you again for watching my video, and wish you all a lovely December. Take care, stay blessed, and bye bye.